False ceilings are no longer just for living rooms and bedrooms. Modern kitchens are now embracing stylish false ceiling designs to add beauty, brightness, and a polished finish. In 2025, kitchen false ceiling trends are focused on sleek looks, functional lighting, and materials that handle heat and moisture well. One of the most popular choices is the gypsum false ceiling. It's lightweight, easy to mold, and perfect for adding clean lines or elegant curves to your kitchen ceiling. You can create layered designs, floating ceiling effects, or even recessed sections that look modern and sophisticated. Pair it with warm LED strip lights *** or spotlights *** to brighten your cooking space while creating a cozy and welcoming vibe. PVC false ceilings *** are also trending in kitchens due to their water-resistant and low-maintenance qualities. They come in a variety of textures and finishes, including wood-like patterns and glossy styles, which are ideal for both traditional and contemporary kitchens. If you want a bold and luxurious touch, wooden panel false ceilings ** bring warmth and richness to the kitchen. Combined with pendant lights or hanging fixtures above an island, wood ceilings can create a stunning focal point. Don't forget about * color. White is a timeless choice, but adding soft beige, gray, or two-tone combinations can give your kitchen a fresh and personalized feel. A well-designed false ceiling not only hides electrical wiring and enhances lighting but also elevates the overall style of your kitchen. Whether you prefer minimalist or decorative, these kitchen false ceiling